Message to the President, Sean Duffy, J.D. Vance, and most importantly, to all you drivers and carriers and anybody else listening. This is a very important message, guys. We got to get in this Telegram group. We, as drivers, must unite. We've got to get on a platform where we have one voice and where we can demand what we want. It's not going to happen if we don't. The dock workers have done it. I'm not going to be bashful about saying it. I'm not saying that we shut down. I'm saying that we band together and we don't take this anymore. The fact that we've allowed the wages in this country, not just in trucking, to drop so low that nobody can live, have a good quality of life with these wages is bullshit. And it's our own fault for taking this crap from these corporations. We take it. We buy their crap. We pay their high prices. We haul for these cheap rates, and it's got to quit. It's got to quit right now and today, and the only way it's going to quit is if we band together. There's a Telegram group in my bio, and if you go sign this petition, AFFTRA.org, there's a link in that, and it's very important. It's called Telegram. We have a group in there with 500 carriers, shippers, drivers, every kind of person involved in the trucking industry that signed this petition is in there. And we can have 200,000 members. We've got to stand together, guys. We have got to band together because they're not going to do nothing for us. We have to do it ourselves. We can't wait on the president. How much more do you think we're going to take? We're not going to take anymore. You've poked the bear long enough. Truck drivers are finally starting to get fed up, and it's going to happen. We've had enough with these shitty-ass rates, these low wages. I don't care if you're a brand new driver with a year experience over the road, you are worth $1 a mile. Every driver in this truck that's running OTR is worth $1 a mile. Every person, I don't care where you're from, what country you're from, it's human trafficking to put a guy in a truck with 4 other guys and pay him 25 cents a mile. That is unacceptable. To sit back and allow human exploitation happen like that in this country, just because people are from other places, it can be taken advantage. We're Americans. We're not going to allow this shit anymore. We want a mandatory minimum wage for company drivers of $1 a mile. That's what we want. That's what has to happen, because with that, everything else is going to fall into place. I've been a big advocate for the carrier to get more money in their pocket, and I still am. But the quick fix for this is for drivers to band together and say, we're not driving for less than $1 a mile. And guess what's going to happen when that happens? The rates will correct themselves, because carriers, brokers, and shippers will realize, well, wait a minute, I can't haul for this because I have to pay the driver $1 a mile. If we can get that, I don't know what our chances are to get this law made, but it has to happen. So if you're a driver, this ain't for the brokers, this ain't for none of you leeches. This is for carriers and drivers. Join our group. It's a private group. You don't have to tell anybody. You don't have to shout it from the mountain, but we do need your voice in the group for when we do what we're going to do. And we'll be more on that later. But we got to band together, guys. We have got to band together and get this done. Because we're done hauling for fucking less than $1 a mile. We're done hauling cheap freight where hundreds of companies are going out of business every month. We're done with this crap. This industry should not be operating at a loss in any facet. I don't care if somebody's less intelligent than somebody else. It shouldn't have to be mental gymnastics to pull a load that's profitable. It shouldn't have to be complicated to know you can't post a load on a load board just because it's supposed to be crap that doesn't pay profit, that doesn't make the truck win. That's not good business. And we've stood by and allowed it long enough. I'm David with the McCown Company, AFFTRA.org. Sign it, Carriers United. If you're a carrier, you better get signed up, because it's going to be the real world working of what we're trying to get done. Hope everybody has a good Sunday. I'll see you on the next one.